Yesterday, I gave a statement that people of Kalangut has voted spontaneously without any leaders. I think some of the workers of the Congress must have got hurt. My intention was not to undermine the efforts. I have acknowledged the effort because especially the Mahila, there was McLean from Kandolimi was daily on the this going house to house. The Mahila president, Youth Congress president, block president. My intention of telling them was that we didn't have the organization. I stand by my word that there is no organization. Because when I went to Parra on the first day when we went to campaign in Parra, I joined them. And in fact, I asked Vivek De Silva, I said, why don't we have any youth here? So he told me people are scared. I said, you are the president of the North, whole Goa Youth Congress president. We cannot have 2 or even 5 youth from a village. What kind of an organization is this? In fact, I went with the block president to ask for booth agents. What they were telling yesterday that we have got those forms, booth committee. Yes, they were there, but when we started the campaign, we didn't have booth committees. We didn't have anybody, polling agents we didn't have. I can boast that I have given them some of the polling agents. As the block, as the youth, they did not have in Parra and Arpora, they did not have. In fact, even on the day of polling in this Nagawa, people were brought from Arpora to sit in the booths in Parra. So that is not an organization. My intention of telling them is not to demean them or undermine their contribution. They worked very hard, we acknowledge it and we congratulate them for that. My intention is that work hard. I have not said only of Kalangut, I said in the whole of North Goa. We didn't have an organization. You all have press, you all have seen that. And nowhere in North Goa the organization was seen. So this block, Kalangut block or the Mahila should not feel that I am trying to undermine them or demean them. My intention was just to say that get ready in future, don't slip that we have got a lead now. And I still stand by my word saying that the people of Kalangut have spontaneously voted for the Congress. When I said that no leaders, I meant to say that no elected members were with us. Unless just because you appointed something, you consider yourself a leader. In my opinion, a leader is somebody who fought an election, won an election. That is what I meant to say. We didn't have any known faces, known leaders, elected representatives. You all have done your work. Congratulations to you. But don't take it in the wrong way that I'm trying to undermine your contribution to the campaign. But we have to work hard. My intention is to get the Congress flag flying high for the coming election. We have to have booth committees. We have to have booth management. We don't have that. As of today also, if I can challenge, we will not have booth committees. Booth management system is not there in the Congress in Kalangut. People are voting for us. The people are spontaneously voting for us. And there is the organization that has to be there in Kalangut with the support of the people is not there, is not seen. You can see from the votes that Kalangut voters are there, but we don't have the organization to carry them forward. So again, I would like to say that please don't take it in the wrong way. It was just a way of my telling you, be ready for the next election, get ready, and congratulations again. Your contribution is acknowledged, and I congratulate you, the block, especially the Mahila. The Mahila were there every day roaming. I have also roamed with them for a few days. Mahila needs a special pat on the back for whatever they have done. And youth, I didn't see much of youth. But Mahila was there in full swing. Even the block president, he needs to be congratulated, of course. But get ready for the next election.
So why do you think that why the people are not coming forward to join the Congress in Kalangut? Are they scared of the MLA?
No, have there been any attempt made to get the people? Like I said yesterday, not only in Kalangut, Congress gets up only at the time of elections, after the elections are declared. You cannot wait for the elections to be declared and then start going to people. If you are in charge of a committee, you have to start working for the committee 6 months, at least 6 months to 1 year before. You cannot. When we started working, our candidate was given 15 days before the election. We started door-to-door campaign 15 days before this. But for that, you have to have an organization. I've said this before. BJP has got this. BJP can afford to give tickets at the last moment. This was my complaint to the High Command also. That Congress cannot afford to give tickets at the last minute. Because we don't have the organization. It's a fact. We all are on the ground. You all know it. We don't have an organization. In Kalangut, we don't have an organization. Except for Kalangut and Kandolim. Parra and Arpara, we don't have. Okay, maybe people are scared. But what are you doing as a chief of the organization? Whether it's a block or whether it's the youth or whether it's a Mahila. It's the same people who are roaming in Kalangut, same people are roaming in Kandolin, same people are roaming in Parra and Arpora. You have to get people from there. When you're going in that ward, you have to get people from that ward. You didn't have that. Till today, you don't have that. The day I went to Parra, you all didn't have anybody from Parra. I collected some boys.
सर आता इलेक्शन एक 2.5-3 वर्ष उरले तू कितें लीड घेतलो
No, Baba, I am Kalu Sangla Poi. I am not vying for a ticket. My main aim is to get the party organized, Congress party organized. If they are adle machine BJP च्या गाडून परत तिकीट दिता, then we have to play our own game. Last year also we went out of the Congress. हे कोणाकोणाक तिकीट दिता. तू BJP ला गाडून दिता. BJP ची ideology is totally different from Congress ideology. ती आयडियोलॉजी जे मनशांक जे तिकेटीचेर बसले तेंची आयडियोलॉजी दुसरीच आसता. तांकां काँग्रेसीन हाडटा म्हणजे ते परत ती आयडियोलॉजी हेच जायना न्हू आमकां. काँग्रेसीक पटना न्हू ती. सो त्या मनशांक जर हाडटाले तुमी पयशे घेवन तिकेटी दिताले जाल्यार आमी आसचे ना काँग्रेसीन.
काँग्रेस मातशी घट करपाक लागून
म्हाका एप्रोच करूंक ना कोणें सांगला हे पावटी पासून म्हाका एप्रोच करूंक नासलो कोणें. हांव केन्ना प्रेसाक केला तेन्ना दुसरे दिसा सॅलप येयला म्हाजी. बट आय हॅड स्टार्टेड माय वर्क. आय हॅड सेड बिफोर ते म्हाका एप्रोच करिना पासून जाल्यार हांव काँग्रेसी पासून काम करतलो म्हणून. वी हॅव टू वर्क फॉर अ सेक्युलर पार्टी. आमी पळयला BJPन म्हारगाय वाडयल्या, सगळें वाडयलां. आतां इलेक्शन काबार जालें, परतून गव्हर्मेंट जालो, परत म्हारगाय वाडली, दूध वाडलें, सगळें वाडलें. BJP आतां तितले फावटी बारीक लोकांक, सामान्य लोकांक त्रास जाता. तेका लागून आमकां BJP नाका. एंड दॅट इज माय मेन दीस ऑन गोईंग फॉर द काँग्रेस. नाल्यार आमकांय काँग्रेसीची ईट येयलेली ते अशें करता म्हणून. लोकांकूय ईट येयलेली. लोक कितले फावटी बक्षीस दवरता तुमकां. बोगोर तुमी डिफेक्टरांक हाडटा, आनी कोणाक हाडटा. तुमचे गेले फावटी आमी सांगलेले आमी 3 जाण हाडले. कोणाक वेगळ्याक तिकेट दी म्हणून ना. हेणेन तो त्या BJPन हाडला आनी हांव सांगतालो खंय तो येता तो वयतलो परत म्हणून. आयकोंक ना. पयशे घेतले, तिकेट दिली, गेलो तो. तेका विचारपाक तोंड ना हांकां मागीर. हे पेड ऑब्वियसली हे पेड फॉर हिज तिकेट.
असं नॉर्थ गोवान तुमी खंय मिस्टेक जाय तुमकां दिसता?
पळय पयले सुवातेर तिकेट खूब जाण म्हणटाले तुमी न्यू फेस घेवची म्हणून. आमी अलायन्स केले, इंडी अलायन्स केलेले. इंडी अलायन्साचे पार्टनर्स पळय आहा न्हू, तेणीन सांगलेले, सजेस्ट केले, लायक सावथाक तेणें सजेस्ट केलेले, ते वर्क होल हार्टेडली आनी जिखून हाडले. नॉर्थाकूय तेणें कोणाक सुनील कौंडनकराचें नांव दिलेलें तेंच्यांनी. ते सगळे काम करपाचें, पॉलिटिकेन काम करपाचें. हेणें आयकोंक ना तें. निमणे उपकार चलपाक दिली. सो आय थिंक समवेर. आनी नॉर्थाक कितें जाता, भाऊची इमेज आसा दॅट इज क्लीन, इज हंबल, बरो मनीस म्हणून. सो यू हॅव टू हॅव समबडी लायक दॅट. Khalapachir, I don't want to go deep into that. Khalap was not considered the same as Bahu. Bahuचे पळय कॅरेक्टर आहा was different. So we had to have a fresh face. Fresh face आसली जाल्यार फुडें जिखूंक शकताले आमी. कित्याक मुवमेंट बरो जातालो. बट हेचे खलपाचे पेडण्यान जो थंय आसा थंय वोट पडना म्हणजे इट्स समथींग फायन. तुज्या ओन गांवान जर तुका मेळना वोट, दॅट मिन्स द कॅन्डिडेट इज नॉट फीट. आमची तिंगा चूक जाता म्हणून.
सो आतां तुमी तुमचो आतां नेक्स्ट स्टेप कितें आसतलो? पॉलिटिकल स्टेप.
म्हाका जर काँग्रेस एप्रोच जायत, आय वील वर्क फॉर द काँग्रेस. आय एम नॉट इन द दीस फॉर द तिकेट. तांकां तिकेट कोणाक दिता तांकां दिवनी, पूण काँग्रेसवाल्यांक दिवनी. इतलेंच म्हाजें मागणें आहा. कित्याक हे फावटी हांवें काँग्रेसीन जॉयन करूंक ते म्हाका सांगताले जॉयन जावं म्हणून. आतां आय डोंट वॉन्ट टू जॉयन एनी पार्टी. आय एम हॅपी एज आय एम नाव. I am doing my बारीक काम करूंक येता, सोशल सर्वीस. I will do that. I am busy with my business and my family.